Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking exercise 14b. In that, we are jumping on to question number 6. And it says, a number decreased by 30 is same as 14 decreased by 3 times a number. So, we do not know the number. So, let's take the number to be x. Okay? The number decreased by 30. So, can we write x minus 30? Okay? Is same as is equal to 14 decreased by 3 times a number. So 3x, 14 minus 3x. Okay, dear kids, now take this minus 3x over here. So it will be plus 3x, and take this minus 30 over here. So that will be plus 30. So you will get 4x is equal to 44. X is equal to 44 upon 4. That is 11. Let's jump on to question number 7, which says A's salary is 4 times as B's salary. So we do not know B's salary. Can we take B's salary to be X? So A's salary will be 4 times of B's salary, that is 4x. Now what does the statement says? Statement says together they earn 3750 a month. That means B's salary plus A's salary is 3750. Got my point clear? Can you solve this and find the value of x? Okay. Next problem number 8, you have separate 178 in two parts. आपको 178 को two parts में separate करना है. अगर आप एक x रख रहे हो तो next will be 178 minus x. Correct? Yes. And according to the statement, it says that your first part is 8 less than twice the second part. So can I take first part x is equal to 8 less than twice the second part? Can I make the equation like this? Yes. Now open the bracket. 2 आपको 178 के साथ multiply करना है and 2 आपको x के साथ भी multiply करना है and keep minus 8 as it is. Take your this x over here, so it will be x plus 2x is equal to 356 minus 8. So that will be 3x is equal to 348. From there you have to get the value of x. Let's jump on to problem number 9, which says 6 more than 1/4 of a number. We do not know the number, so let the number be x. What will be 1/4 of a number? That will be 1/4 of x. You can also write it as x upon 4. And the equation says 6 more than. So x upon 4 plus 6. Okay. Is equal to 2/5 of a number. So 2/5 of x. How can we solve this? Shall we take this 2/5 of x on this side? Or you can take this x upon 4 on this side. It's one and the same thing. So I'll keep 2/5 of x as it is, and I'll take x upon 4 into subtraction here is equal to 6. Now take the LCM, my dear kids. So you have to multiply 4 here and 5 here. So that will be 8x minus 5x is upon 20 is equal to 6. From there you will get, I'll take this 20 here in multiplication with 6. So I'll get 3x is equal to 120 and x is equal to 40. Correct? Let's jump on to problem number 10, which says the length of a rectangle is twice its width. We do not know the width. I'll keep it as x and the length is 2x. Twice width means 2x. If the perimeter is 54, so perimeter is given as 54. What is the formula for perimeter, my dear kids? 2l plus b is given as 54. Now here in this case the length is 2x and the breadth is x. So instead of l and b I have written 2x plus x. So that will be 2 into 3x is equal to 54. That will be 6x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 upon 6. X is equal to 9. Correct? So your breadth you got it as 9. Don't leave your problem till here. You have to find your length also. What is length? Length is 2x. 2 into 9, that is 18 centimeter. Correct? Next, problem number 11, which says a rectangle's length is 5 centimeter less than twice its width. We do not know the width, so I'll keep width as x. And length, as per the statement, length is 5 less twice its width. So 2x minus 5. Correct? If the length is decreased by 5, so you have to further decrease by 5. So it will become 2x minus 10. And width is increased by 2. So width को आप 2 से increase कर दो. So x plus 2. The perimeter of the resulting rectangle is 74. Now you have width in your hand, you have length in your hand, and perimeter is given as 74. Apply the formula 2L plus B is equal to 74. In place of length, you write 2x minus 10, and in place of breadth, you write x plus 2. Once you got this, you first solve the bracket. That will be 3x minus 8. Now if you want, you can open the bracket by multiplying 2. That will be 6x minus 16 is equal to 74. Now my dear kids, take this minus 16 here as plus 16 and solve for x. Can you do that? Once you got x, your problem is not done. You kept as width as x. Okay. And आपका length था 2x minus 5. Original. So you have to put the value of x here and get the original width and length. Let's jump on to question number 12, which says the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. Now what will be 3 consecutive odd numbers? 3 consecutive odd numbers will be x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. And the sum of these 3 will be equal to 57. Can you solve it further? Let's jump on to question number 13. A man's age is 3 times that of his son. Now man's age we do not know, son's age we do not know. We'll keep son's age as x. And man is 3 times of x, so 3x. Perfect. And in 12 years, after 12 years, so son will be plus 12, x plus 12. Man will be 3x plus 12. And what the statement says? In 12 years, he will be twice as old as his son. So father or man will be, that is equal to twice x plus 12. Twice as old as his son. This is son, this is father. So this is the equation. Now what you have to do? Keep 3x plus 12 as it is. 2 को आप multiply करो x के साथ and 12 के साथ. Now take 2x here and 12 here and solve for x. Once you got x, my dear kids, that will be son's age. Because you kept son's age as x, so you have to find father's age also, that is man's age also, that was 3x. So whatever value you get of x, you have to multiply with 3 to get father's age. Isn't it easy? Let's jump on to next. And it says a man is 42 years old and his son is 12 years old. So it is given that man is 42 years and son is 12 years. In how many years will the age of son be half the age of man? In how many years? So we do not know in how many years. So we will write let the years be x. And you add that x on both the man and son. And now it says that son, that is 12 plus x, will be half of 42 plus x, that is man. This will be the equation. Now what you can do is, if you want, you can carry this 2 here into multiplication. तो 12 plus x पूरे के साथ 2 को multiply कर दो और यहाँ पे 42 plus x रहने दो. जब आप multiply करेंगे तो you will get 24 plus 2x is equal to 42 plus x. अब x को साथ में कर दो, नंबर को साथ में कर दो और x की वैल्यू निकालो. So that many years के बाद x will be the number of years. इन सालों के बाद son's age will be exactly half of father's age. Clear, my dear kids? Let's jump on to 15th. And 15 says a man completed a trip of 136 kilometers in 8 hours. So this is 136 kilometers he completed in 8 hours. So the total time is given to you and the total distance is given to you. Some part of the trip was covered 15 kilometer per hour. Now from here, suppose till here, I'll put it as x kilometer, and he covered in 15 kilometer per hour. So the distance is given to you and the speed is given to you. And the remaining at 18 kilometer per hour. अब remaining distance क्या होगा? अगर total 136 है distance, उसमें से x किलोमीटर आपने कट कर दिया तो remaining होगा 136 minus x. So that will be distance 2. And that distance is covered in 18 kilometer per hour. Clear? So now you have this distance and speed, and here also you have distance 2 and speed. And what you have to find? Find the part of trip covered at 18 km per hour. तो आप x की value निकालोगे and then let's see what we can do. Okay. So what equation we can make is, now we know that time is distance upon speed. So time 1, can I say distance 1 upon speed 1? That will be x upon 15. And time 2, can I say distance 2 upon speed 2? That will be 136 minus x upon 18. So I have two times with me. I have x upon 15 as time 1 and time 2, so 136 minus x upon 18. Now these both time, if I take it together, that will be the total time of the journey, and the total time of the journey is given to you as 8 hours. Yes, my dear kids. So you got 8 hours over here. Now you can take the LCM of this side. Take the LCM and then cross multiply. From there you will get the value of x. Could you give a try? Okay, God bless.